Hi guys, this is Pam from the Boys and Girls Club. Welcome to Pam's Kitchen. Today we're going to have mac and cheese. I already put the water in it. I need to put it back in the microwave. I know it's hard that we can't see one another. And I'm missing you guys like crazy. I just go on the Boys and Girls page and look at some of the pictures that was put on there to see what the kids are doing and how the kids are doing. As soon as this is all over with, we all will be back again as one happy family. I miss you guys with the utmost, and I know you guys miss all of us at the Boys and Girls Club. So now I'm gonna check on the mac and cheese. We got a couple of more minutes. What are some of the things that you guys love to cook when you're at home? I need some ideas. I need the kids to give me some ideas, not the grown-ups. I would like to hear from the kids. Okay? Tell me the things that they like to do and things that they like to cook. And I can cook it on here. Here's the pack of cheese. Gotta get it ready. Voila! It is ready. It is ready. Woohoo! Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Yes, it is ready. So now I'm gonna put my cheese in it. It's easy, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm gonna stir it up really well. And guess what, guys? It's time to eat. So guess what, guys? I love you. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.